enjoy the video as well.
Yeah, these are channels wise.
Yeah, yes.
Nice. Yeah, then we can take a peek at that.
What's that?
12 centimeters?
12, yeah.
Cool. Yeah, probably 12 centimeters plus here. So I'm putting them back in there.
You can see that. Yeah, that worked pretty good from up here.
So what we're doing here today is we're salvaging fish out of the area where the fish fence is going to be replaced. We want to get all of the fish out of here, and one of the methods that we're using is an electrofisher. This uses a pulsed current to attract and stun the fish so that we can net them and move them to a safe location while we're doing the construction. I guess, why don't you check the downstream map too, in case there's any plans just there. So today we've captured coho fry, cutthroat trout, lamprey, and crayfish.
As the project is going along, I can explain what the machines are doing and so on. On Monday, Fisheries came down to our nickel mackerel hatchery and we were preparing to put in a new fish trap and a bladder to prevent the fish from going or coming upstream when we're capturing our broodstock. And with the bladder, we'll be able to release the bladder and let the fish continue on after we've taken our broodstock. For this week, what we're doing is Fisheries have put a dam upstream of the work site and a dam downstream of the work site. And we've captured any fry that are in between the two dams, so that it's being prepared for the excavation. And at our hatch, we've had problems with flooding as well. So what we're going to do is modify the grade in the creek so the water flows more freely, at the same time being suitable for spawning salmon. The work should be completed by Friday, so a week from the time we start to the time we're finished. And part of the preparation is Fisheries is setting up a pump at the upstream end of the construction area that we're doing, or modification area, and pump the water across the land to the end of the downstream portion of what we're doing, so that Lafarge can have their excavator in and do their excavation without a bunch of sediment being washed downstream, because the water will be then diverted until it's over, and then it'll continue on its normal path. As the project is going along, I can explain what the machines are doing and so on. Oh, I says all the work that we did bringing the spawning gravel down with buckets and wheelbarrows, and now it's all gone.
Yeah. We should wash it and put it back.
I think so. That would be a good idea.
Yeah.
I think they are intending to put some of this back. The good stuff they're going to put back, as long as it's not contaminated with other spoils.
That's sand.
That's silk? Yeah. Because there's some burlap over there from the...
Yeah, we couldn't pull that out. He's frying and it ripped. But I
Yeah.
don't want to rebuild that whole thing, right? If I can, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can, if you guys can like that.